What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets. So, first is monkey noodles. You can stretch them. And I got simple dimple. See? You can pop, 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 pop. And I got unicorn, and I got popsicle. I got dinosaur, which I have. And why don't you try vlog? Look what that is. Look at all the colors. And I got a mini Rubik's Cube. Isn't it cool? You can only twist it one way. So cool. And I got these. They're like rings. You can wear them as rings if you wanted to, like this. See, you can wear them as rings. And these are so cool. Wait, why am I grabbing all? Those, they're not just blue. They're green and orange. And so this is a star fidget spinner. See? So cool. And I got another star fidget spinner. And I got a purple fidget spinner that's like, when it spins, it's like Sonic. See that? See what that looks like? And got a football, soccer one. You wanna see? Look how cool that looks. Cool. And these things are so cool. I got a sea star. I got another one, and I got a fish. Look how cool that is. And also I got two cats. See, one dark and one light. And these rings connected together are so cool. And also I also have a pea popper. No face. No face. Yeah, a face, see? Look how cool that looks. He's like sweaty. See? And these things are so cool. See? Boing, 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 boing. And I got purple, orange, green, red. And got that. Another one. And also I got two popper. I just drank that one. Look, hear this. And this is how you put it back. Isn't that so cool? And I got a video game thing. See? Spinning thing. Moving. Press those buttons. And there's like a switch right here. Put it up. And I got this thing. It's just a keychain. Yeah, I have this. Roll back into a bowl. They got one of these. So cool. And I got this black one. And this red one. And that's my fidget video. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Love you. Bye.